Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. I hope you all keeping well. Today let's learn about interjunctions. So interjunction is a last part of a speech. So parts of speech we already learned, and first we learned noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and the last one is a interjunction. So there are 8 parts of speech we have learned, and last one is a interjunction. What is interjunction? Word that show spontaneous feeling or emotion is known as a interjunction. So words which expresses hesitation or sudden emotion or feeling are called interjunction. So now let's discuss few examples of interjunction. Hooray, I won the race. So here the word hooray is used as an interjunction. So here as a certain emotion, in order to show the certain emotion, I used this particular word hooray as an interjunction. So now let's discuss few more examples of interjunction which is used in sentences. So first example, oh, the gas coming from the laboratory smells really foul. So here the word expresses disgust. The next sentence, alas, all our homes have been washed away by the flood. Here the word alas expresses sorrow. Oh, how did you lose that book? Oh expresses concern. Whom? I do not know what to do. Here the word is expresses hesitation. So such words which expresses hesitation or certain emotion or feeling are called interjunctions. In above sentence we have seen all interjunctions are followed by the same punctuation mark. This is called an exclamation mark. Usually we use this mark instead of a full stop afterwards, which express a deep or sudden feeling or emotion or hesitation. Few other things that we have to keep in mind. An interjunction is often only a sound or a noise. Examples: a, boo, hello, oh, hooray, oh, oh, hi, put, oops, wow, pust, ouch, ugh, hua, oh, hey. So these are some kind of a noise, so that often used as an considered as a interjunction. Then some interjunctions may be actual words or related to other words, such as show, cheerio, so long, gosh, cheers. So these are some actual words or related to other words. Interjunctions. The next, an interjunction may be made up of more than one word or sound, like well, ho, tut, ho, ha, here. So interjunctions are words that are only loosely connected to a sentence. So when a sentence as a whole expresses a deep emotion or feeling, it is called an exclamatory sentence or simply an exclamation. So these are the other interjunctions that are used in a sentence. And when we are using interjunctions, it doesn't have any grammatical connection with the sentence. It doesn't have any grammatical connection with the sentence. That thing we have to keep in mind. So this is all for today. I hope you understand this particular topic. This is for today. Bye bye.